Good morning, everyone, every viewer. This video is belongs to standard 9th. Subject is geography and chapter is that the climate. During previous videos, we will console over the condition of temperature in our country. In this video, we will discuss about the precipitation that occurred in our country, precipitations that fall in different parts of our country. So there are a lot of variations are found in the term of temperature in the country, no doubt, but there are a lot of variations are found in precipitation also, because in some parts of country where thousands and above centimeter of rainfall received, like Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mausinram, Cherrapunji, these regions of the country which receives heavy rain, approximately 1000 and above centimeters of rainfall received. On the other hand, in the parts of Rajasthan, in the parts of Gujarat and western Rajasthan, where only 15 mm, 25 mm, means 15 centimeter rainfall received the regions. So, a lot of variations are found in the term of precipitation, in the term of rainfall within the nation, no doubt. So, we will discuss on this matter. First is that there are variations not only in the form and types of precipitation. Means in this country, India, where all forms of rainfalls are received. In some parts of India where orographic rain received, some parts of India where mountainous rainfall received, in some parts of India where monsoon created rainfalls are received. So the types of varied types of rainfalls received by the different areas of our country. So a lot of variations are found in the types, and it also in its amount and the seasonal distribution also. It means the amount of rainfall is also varied in different parts of India, like in Arunachal Pradesh or Meghalaya, where 1000 and above centimeter rainfall received. On the other hand, in the parts of Rajasthan, where very 15 centimeter rainfall, 25 centimeter rainfall occurred. It is the amounts of rainfall. And on the other basis is seasonal distribution. In some parts of India, where in summer season, where rainfall occurred, but in the Tamil Nadu coast, where rainfall occurred in the November and December, means in winter seasons where rainfall occurred in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu. So seasonal distribution is also varied in country, their amount is also varied in the country, and their types and forms are also varied in the nation. So these are the variations in different aspects of rainfall received by our meteorological staffs or meteorologists. Other points is that while precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall, in the upper parts of Himalaya, it rains over the rest of the country. Means in the form of rainfall where variations are found. In the upper parts of India, where Himalayan mountain ranges are situated, in that region where due to high altitude, in the form of rainfall, each year is snowfall. No any rainfall are received by the upper parts of Himalayas or higher altitudes of the country India. On the other hand, in the plain region, in the plateau region, rainfalls occur in the form of raindrop, water drop. So these the precipitations are also varied in different regions. Other matter is that the annual precipitation varies from over 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than the 10 centimeter in Ladakh and the western Rajasthan. And now means the amount of rainfall, the annual precipitation, annual rainfall are also varied in different parts of the country. Means in Meghalaya regions, whole Meghalaya, not Cherrapunji or Mausidra, whole Meghalaya where 4 centimeters and above rainfalls are received. On the other hand, in the Ladakh region where 10 centimeter rainfalls received, and western Rajasthan regions where also 10 centimeter of rainfall received. So, and the amount of rainfall is also varied in different parts of our country. It creates how diverse climatic conditions are found in the country. Next topic is that, next matter is that most parts of the country receive rainfall from June to September. Means most parts of India, means approximately northern parts of our country, northern parts of our country like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya. So in these regions, UP, MP, Gujarat, Rajasthan, in these regions where rainfalls occurred during June to September. But the Tamil Nadu coastal regions which get large portion of its rainfall during October and November. It means in maximum part of India where rainfall received during June to September, while in Tamil Nadu coast which get rainfall during October to November. It creates also contrast features of precipitation in our India. Next is that in general, coastal areas experience less contrast in temperature. It means in coastal areas means the areas which are very closer to the ocean. In the coastal regions, in the closer areas of ocean where water bodies are found in abundance amount, and this water can't changes the condition of temperature in closer region, and this large volume of water can't increase the temperature in coastal areas. So in the coastal areas of the country where the equal type of temperature are found not only in the summer or in winter, means approximately whole part of the year where temperature is very equal there. Seasonal contrasts are more in the interior of the country. On the other hand, the regions, the parts of country which are very far from the ocean, in that regions where water equal temperature or moderate influence of the ocean can't reach in middle parts of the country or forward region of the country, and that regions where a lot of variations are found in temperature during winter, in temperature during summer. So interior parts of the country which are very far away from the coastal regions, from the ocean, so in that region a lot of variations, a lot of fluctuations of temperature are found during winter and summer. So there is decrease in rainfall from east to west in the northern plains. When the southwest monsoon diverted their direction on the Garo Khasi Jaintia hills in the Meghalaya, so the amount of rainfall are decreased from that region to north to east westward region. So east to west temperature, the rainfall may decrease. Okay. Next matter is that these variations have given rise to variety in lives of people. Means these variations which related to rainfall, which related to precipitation, which related to temperature, this create a positive impact and maybe negative impact also on the lives of the people. Such as the terms in the food they eat, means if temperature is very high in that region where people prefer the rice and paddy. In the cold region and in the cold region where people prefer the wheat and bread. And this influence not only the food stuff they eat, but it also affect the clothes they wear and also the kind of houses they live. Means if the higher temperature regions where fine and white clothes preferred by the people, on the other region where temperature is very low registered, in that regions where thick and woolen clothes are wear. And the kind of houses are also influenced by the temperature, by the climate, and if rainfall is very less there, so in that regions where roof are flattened, and on the other hand the regions where heavy rainfall received, in that part of the country where houses are sloped roof, hardly sloped roof. So temperature and means overall climatic conditions completely affect the lives of the people in the country. Okay, so today all of these matters are completed, no doubt. Today in this video all the matters that are contained in the board, and they are discussed during this video. In next video, we will concern over the influencing factors and other factors that related to climate and temperature. Okay, thank you very much.